Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I came with a new video, tag question. You have listened, a small question is added to a statement that is called tag question. We add it to be clear about something. So watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarga Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Don't forget to like, share and comment my video. This is a marker pen, isn't it? The small question I added here is called tag question. Why we add the small question? While you're speaking, to be clear about something, we add tag question. Okay? So that is tag question. Let's get started. At the end of the statement, where you add tag question? At the end of the statement. How we add? With a positive statement, we add negative tag. With a negative statement, we add positive tag. Right? Helping verb. How we add? Helping verb plus N apostrophe T. Okay? Suppose is the helping verb, we add there N apostrophe T. It became what? Isn't. Isn't plus subject, that is negative tag, and helping verb plus subject is positive tag. So where you add, what do you know? We add at the end of the statement. Maybe negative tag or positive tag, we add at the end of the statement. So he is a teacher. This is one statement. How you add tag? At the end of this statement, we convert full stop into comma. Okay, he is a teacher. This is one positive statement. What do you want? Negative tag. So is helping verb is here. So isn't. Isn't he is the subject? Isn't he? Question mark. That is question tag. Next, she is not a singer. So it is negative statement. With negative statement, we add positive tag. Change the full stop into comma, then isn't. Because is there. What auxiliary verb is there? That should be written. Isn't, not is there, so it will be what? Is, positive tag. Is she? Question mark. Okay, she is not a singer. So is she? That is question tag. Then next rule, subject of question tag is always a pronoun. Okay, if the subject is a noun, while you write in the question tag, then what you write? Pronoun as per the subject. With respect to the subject, we have write the pronoun. Meena is a singer. This is Meena, is a proper noun. What question tag we should add here? This is one positive sentence, so we have to add negative tag. Isn't. Isn't. Meena. Meena is a girl. Maybe, okay. So what should be written? She. For feminine gender, subject what? She. Question mark. Himesh is not a dancer. Not negative statement. We have to add positive tag. Comma. Is. Himesh. For Himesh, what pronoun? Subjective pronoun. He. Is he? Himesh is not a dancer. Is he? Right. If there is no auxiliary verb, what should be written? How we write a question tag? I made tea. Okay, I made tea. Made is verb here. That is main verb. She plays chess. Plays is verb here. They write stories. Write is verb here. Okay. So what should be written for question tag? Where there is no verb, main verb written. You remember the question tag, in question tag, do, does or did will come. Okay, as per the verb. Verb made here, simple past. So it is obvious what will come? Did. As it is positive statement, so we should add negative question tag. Didn't I? What pronoun is there? That should be copied. I is there, so write I. She plays chess. Plays in play. Play is the verb. In play, what is added here? S is added here. Where S is there, what is does is there. Okay, so what will come? Doesn't. Doesn't she? She is there. Question tag, question mark. She. What pronoun? Pronoun she is there. They write stories. Write main verb, simple present, so do. Comma, it will be converted into comma. Don't. Don't they? Negative. Negative tag. While you are adding tag question with a statement, it should be in your mind that the tag question, negative tag should be contracted form. Okay, contracted form of auxiliary with a not. Already I have posted a video, contracted form of auxiliary with not. The link will get in the description box. Okay, it will help you to write tag question. So, the food was tasty. Okay, food was tasty. What is here? Was. Was. Was verb, then tasty. Remove full stop and add question tag. It is positive statement. We should add negative tag. What will be? It's a short form, contracted form, wasn't. Wasn't. We can't write was not. Right? It will be wrong. Was not for the food will be what? It. Because we cannot write any noun, its pronoun we should write the pronoun. So it will be it. Was not, it is wrong. What will be? Wasn't it. Question mark. Right? We are going to market. So remove full stop then comma. Are going, are is there for its contracted form as it is positive statement. So it will be and. Okay, we question mark. Mr. Das has sold his house. Has auxiliary verb. What will be? Hasn't. Hasn't. Mr. Das. For Mr. Das, which pronoun will come? He. They haven't completed their task. Haven't. It is a negative statement. We should write in positive tag. Okay, we should add positive tag. What will be? Haven't will be what? Have. Have, then they. Have they? Okay, they haven't completed their task. Have they? She hadn't been working hard. It will be comma. Hadn't, negative statement, will be positive. You should add positive tag. Had. Okay, had she. Had she? Because she is subject here. They were friends. Positive statement, we should add negative tag. Weren't they? Weren't they? The girl didn't sing the song. Didn't. Negative statement. Add positive tag. Comma. Didn't will be did. Did, and for the girl, what pronoun will come? She. Question mark. The girl sang the song well. Here verb is sang. Simple past. For simple past there is not any auxiliary verb. So what auxiliary? Already I have told. Where there is no auxiliary verb, there do, does or did will be added. As for the verb, as the verb is a simple past, so what auxiliary will come? Did. It is what? Positive statement, so you add didn't. Didn't for the girl, pronoun she. If the subject of the statements, these are these, those, one and they are, how to add question tag. Okay, let's see. Here, these, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. As demonstrative pronoun, here used. there. Okay, there is a cow. There is a cow. This is one positive statement. We should add what? Negative question tag. Is, isn't. Isn't, if there is used as a subject, then there will be written in question tag. Then question mark. This is his pen. Okay, positive statement. Add comma, isn't. For this and it, not this. Okay, isn't it? That is his house. The same thing, isn't it? These are animals. These are animals. Add comma. These are animals and for these write they and they question mark. Those are birds. The same thing and they. One can hold it. While one is the subject, then one will be written. Can't one? Question mark. So where you changed it? For this and that, we write what in question tag? It. If this and that are used as a demonstrative pronoun, then you write what? It. If this and that, these or those are used as demonstrative pronoun, we add in question tag, we write they. Okay? But in this part, these, that, these, those are used as demonstrative adjectives. Let's see. One man can pull it. Add question tag, change it to comma, full stop, change it into comma. One man, as per noun, we have to write the subject in question tag. Okay? One man can pull it. Here one is written. But one man, one is used as adjective here for man. Okay, for man, what subject will come? Subjective pronoun, he will come. So, man can't. Can't he? The girl was present there. Wasn't. The girl, this girl, wasn't this girl, wasn't she? That book is useful. Isn't. For book, it. Isn't it? These books are mine. Okay? And these books and they. Those toys are broken. Comma, and they. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.